Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making venison chili with dark chocolate. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 2 hour 30-minute to cook. Serves 8 to 10 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 3 pounds ground venison, 1 pound, for fat content, ground pork, 2 large onions, 6 cloves garlic, 3 tablespoons chili powder, 2 tablespoons cumin, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons oregano, 1 teaspoon chipotle powder, 2 cans, 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes, 2 cups beef broth, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 3 ounces, 70 to 85% cacao, dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons masa harina, salt and pepper to taste, and toppings cheese. Step 1. Meat browning. Brown ground venison and pork in large Dutch oven over medium-high heat, breaking up clumps. Cook until no pink remains. Step 2. Aromatics. Add onions and cook until softened, about 8 minutes. Add garlic and cook 1 minute more. Step 3. Spice blooming. Add chili powder, cumin, paprika, oregano, and chipotle powder. Cook, stirring constantly for 1 minute to release oils. Step 4. Liquid addition. Add wine, stock, mushrooms, and tomatoes, broth, and tomato paste. Bring to boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 5. Long cooking. Simmer partially covered for 2 hours, stirring occasionally. Add water if needed to prevent sticking. Step 6. Chocolate addition. Stir in chopped chocolate during final 15 minutes of cooking. Step 7. Thickening. Mix masa harina with small amount of warm liquid, then stir into chili. Simmer 10 minutes more. Step 8. Final seasoning. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and spices as needed. And that's how you make venison chili with dark chocolate. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.